BGS.
Hi, this is your BGS Michael. Today I brought you the brake piston reset tool from BGS Technique. The main feature is a ratchet function. Furthermore, you have different attachments in the set. This set can be used on almost all vehicles. I'll show you next how this works in detail. Here I've prepared a brake caliper for you and tied it up so that you can see it better. For your information, with this tool you will absolutely not damage any curves, pistons or cylinders. As a side note, please make sure with this tool that you can only push back brake calipers or pistons without an integrated handbrake function. Let's go! Yes, super quick and easy. Not much to say really, you just have to have that thing. Your BGS Michael.